If you love aviation, then you need to hear about JetBlue Flight 1230's dramatic landing. On September 26, 2024, JetBlue Flight 1230 took off from sunny Cancun, Mexico. But midway through the flight, the crew reported a possible hydraulic issue. Tensions rose. The pilots made a quick decision to land at Newark Liberty International Airport. Passengers held their breath as the Airbus A320 approached the runway. With expert precision, the pilots guided the plane down safely. Cheers erupted from everyone on board. Thanks to the skilled crew and quick thinking, JetBlue Flight 1230 had a thrilling but safe landing. It's moments like these that remind us why we trust the professionals up in the sky. Stay tuned for more incredible aviation stories, and don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily dose of high-flying drama.